Hi guys, I'm here with Alan and I'm gonna show him some Rubik's Cube natin. So then, i-holding yung Rubik's Cube and I'm going to follow ang atong buhaton. I'm going to mix this, pero you have to follow the instructions. But we have to cover this one. Pilim ko sa kamay. Hold him ako, like that. So you will bring it twice, 1, 2. 1, 2, and then pwede po mo-shift po sila yung side and 1, 2 balon ko, papalan ko 1, 2 na po then pwede po mo-shift na po 1, 2 1, 2 and then pwede po shift anything 2, 1, 2 okay? So watch, I'm gonna try to solve mine first. So watch 1, 2 ito nag-mix no? Anywhere you want. I'm gonna try That's not good.